If you are seeing virus detected on Mac or your Mac is infected notification, then don't click them. The first thing you need to do to remove virus alert notification is not to click the pop-up. These alerts are fake and are trying to scare you into installing malware. Close the tab or window immediately. Now, once done so, all you have to do is get a app cleaner and delete or remove any unknown apps. So I currently use this app cleaner and I've downloaded this from the browser, and this is the best app cleaner a Mac can ever have. You can simply search for the Spotlight. So I do not have any unknown app, so for now I'm simply deleting the Brave browser. Let me just drag it and drop there, and it will delete all the file related to the Brave, and tap on the remove, and that is it. Now you can do same with the unknown apps. Also, never install from fake Apple support pages or sites that end with .site, .click, .xyz. Then tap on the system settings. Once you're inside the system settings of the Mac, all you have to do is in the left hand side panel, scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the login option available there. And once you tap on the login, remove any suspicious login items. Malware can launch when your Mac starts. So if you have any suspicious app, then tap on the minus and remove any online apps or services you do not recognize. And that is it. After following this, you will be safe. You have removed shady notification and apps, Malwarebytes says your system is clean, and Safari or Chrome no longer randomly opens virus warnings. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.